Hello everybody. Let's do one of Alina Light's patterns. Let's do one of these from this box. Oops, I've done those ones already. This is what I have left from box number 3. We're just going to do that one. Whatever that turns out to be, that's what we're doing. I've had people ask me about these cards from Alina, and they apparently are no longer available in her Etsy store as traditional cards, but she has them as a digital download, so you can check that out. We're going to do Raff. Oh gosh, don't you hate it when you're writing on a piece of paper that somehow pen will not write on? Change over to pencil. Raff. Single line pattern. And it goes on Wednesday the 28th. Okay. We're going to do this one. A single line pattern where it actually looks like a spiral graph. Maybe that's why she called it Raff. It looks like a spiral graph. You're going to go up and around, and then up and around, and up and around, and just roundy, 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 till you get all the way back to the beginning. So you can do it this way. You can do it this way, where you do some ones like, so you do this one and then a bigger one and then a smaller one and a bigger one. You can do them kind of pointy. All sorts of different ways we can try it as a single line pattern. And then she's got them lined up like a tile. Let's just see what we get. Put my tile in my little tile holder. Why is that not going the way I want it? Oh, because it goes this way. Right. It goes that way. Alrighty. Let's get a piece of... Let's just do a small one today. What do we feel like doing? We have not done anything in a bright orange in a long time. Let's do that. We're going to get ourselves a small pen. And we're just going to go for it. I'm just going to start here, and I'm going to go up and around, and up and around, and up and around. I know it's supposed to be single line, and I was supposed to pick up my pen, but I have to turn my paper. And that one got a little flat. But it does look like a spiral graph. Just like that. Simple. Easy peasy. That is the pattern. Done. Should I just leave it like that? No, of course not. I'm not going to leave it like that. But I am going to now put some spirally bits to fill in the space. Don't know why it's got bubbles. It appears to have bubbles. And I appear to be next to the edge today. That's alright. I don't usually do that, but today I've got bubbles. Why? I don't know. Feels like a kind of a... I don't know. I don't know what it feels like. Now we're going to highlight and maybe shade, a little shading. Where am I shading? I don't know where I'm shading. We're shading somewhere. Apparently, we're just randomly shading today. That's okay. And then shading on one side of these bubbles. Why? I don't know. Because that's what I want. Usually I shade the other side, but today I'm shading that side. Blending stump. There it is. And we're definitely doing highlights because this is just screaming for highlights. This is just going to be a quick and easy one. I don't know. I haven't really been feeling like drawing today. But I came out here to draw because I need to have some content. Little white. Colored pencil. And I'm going to do a little white on the tips of these little petals. And maybe in here, just because I feel like it. Like that. And I'm actually going to go along the edge of this as well. Why? I don't know. Just feeling like it. There we go. Simple, easy one. That's what I needed for today. A simple, easy one. Nothing to tax my brain too hard. I will see you guys on the next video. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place one person at a time. And I will see you later. Bye-bye.